Okay, you guys ready to open it?
Yeah.
Go take it to the table. No, this one, the table over by the couch. You gotta open it.
Come on, get in there. Bust it open.
What's up? Let me get something real quick.
Oh, come on. Darshan, bring it back out here. Come on. Just rip it open with your hands.
Come on.
I'm trying a video for Grandma to see it.
Here, let me put a hole in it and then you can pull it. All right, here. Come here. Come here. Check it out. Let me do this. I'm going to put a hole right here. All right, Drayton, I want you to pull it. I want you to pull that part. Wait, Darshan. You pull this part. All right, go ahead. Pull. Pull.
Rip it open.
Rip it open. Rip it open, Dray. You got it. Keep ripping.
I love it. I love it. Yeah. Oh, mine.
Okay, give Drayton his.
This one's mine.
Give Drayton his. That's yours, Dray.
That's mine.
Can you open it?
Yeah. I can't open it.
You can do it. Keep trying. Just rip it open.
I'll give you a little head start. Ready? I just want to make sure there's no pins in it. I just want to make sure there's no pins in it.
Okay.
What are you guys going to say to Grandma?
Thanks.
Look at the camera and tell Grandma thank you.
Thank you, Grandma.
Say thank you to your grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
Yeah, she loves you.
I know.
Let's get this
Let's open them up quick so Grandma can see them on them. Okay. Put the cuddle up it on so that Grandma gets to see it on you.
Here you go. Put your hand in there.
That's so cute. Okay, Darshan, let me see your puppet talk.
War. Yeah.
Let me see your puppet talk, Drayton. Cool. Okay, let's say thank you one more time, and I'm going to stop the video camera.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right.
Grandma. Thank you, baby.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Say bye.